Welcome back, everybody. And question 5 is about emission spectrum. Okay, emission. So it emits a photon. So emits a photon. Okay, so emits some energy out. So which one is releasing a photon? Yes, yes. So AMD. Bye bye. And next one, you have to think about why it emit energy out. So of course, it goes from a higher energy state to a lower energy state, right? You fall down, the electron fall down from a higher energy state to a lower energy state. So when its energy is lowered, the energy is released, okay, as a photon. So move to a lower energy state. Yeah. So the answer is B. I must say the words are very simple, so make sure don't make careless mistake and you will be well done. So look forward for next question. See you.